Hello everyone, my name is Akhilesh Shetty. I am from Regrove Infrastructure Private Limited. Today I am going to talk about how pre-approved home loans help in buying houses. Buying a house is a dream that everybody wants to be fulfilled. Most people save substantial amount of earning towards fulfilling this dream. But sometimes our saving doesn't suffice, resulting in one resorting to take loan so as to form up for its deficit. Many banks and financial institutions are providing loans way more conveniently than before. Pre-approved home loans are one in all the foremost hassle-free and convenient way to assemble funds towards a property. What is a pre-approved home loan? Pre-approved home loans are slightly different from the traditional home loans. The fundamental difference between the pre-approved home loan are supported to the repayment capacity of the person and not completely based on the property documents. One doesn't need to approve papers or similar documents so as to use for a pre-approved home loan. The bank or the financial institute in question will provide a stipulated period of time after the approval of the loan to finalize the property. In case one fails to do so, then he has to reappraise the home loan. The bank can deny the loan if the legal papers of the property are ambiguous or similar instances come to light. The terms of the loan like EMI, tenure can be changed at any point between the application of the loan and disbursal of the loan. The number of things that can be seen in this pre-approved home loan are explicits the process. Since the verification of the loan is completed even before someone finalizes the property, the method is way faster once the property is finalized and also the individual wishes to shut the deal. The approval for this loan doesn't rely on the papers of the property, which suggests that the loan is approved even before the property is chosen. Focused property hunt. Once the loan is approved, the bank or the establishment gives the individual a stipulated period of 6 months roughly. Usually home buyers tend to elongate this method of comparing and searching too many options and not being certain about it in a way to proceed it, which can even end in them not needing to continue the search in a lease bid. Clear idea about one's financial capacity. Pre-approved home loans give a clear idea, even for the individual and for the builder, what is the exact capacity of this customer or an individual for buying a property, and according to that they search for the property and the builder give him the required option. Ease in payment as the loan amount given by the private is determined, supported the repayment capacity, the number of specified or he or she will be paid comfortably without lowering the day-to-day expenses. This may less the burden of the individual. Helps in negotiation. If you have a pre-approved home loan in your hand, so this makes easier for an individual to make a deal because the builder or the developer is convinced that he or she is interested in buying the loan, in buying the property. Therefore, he has approved for the loan, and in favor of that, they give a better deal so that the customer does not switch to any other builder and make his booking over here. Double verification. This is an added benefit. Once you pre-approve the loan, when you finalize the deal, based on your research, and also the bank do a research, background research about the builder, because they are providing you with a capital amount, which is a huge amount. So they need to make sure that the money they are investing is in a safe hands. So therefore, the double verification is done, or a background check is done about the builder. These are the important, or you can say an added benefit about having a pre-approved loan. Thank you.